today's video, we'll be looking at 5 algebra tricks every student should know. It's going to help you a lot as you solve mathematics every day or as you progress in academics. So let's start with the first one. And the first trick is to change sign. And the first trick is when you change side, you change sign. That is, when you move a number or a variable from one side of the equal sign, we are going to change the sign of that particular number or variable. For instance, you have something like 2x plus 7 is equals to 15. And to solve this type of equation, you know you need to collect like terms. And by collecting like terms, we need to move 7 across the equal sign. Since you are changing the side, the sign must change and it become minus 7. And if it was minus 7 here, if you are moving it across, it is going to become plus. So just know that when you are changing side, you will also change sign. So how do you solve this? You will say 2x is equal to 15 minus 7. And then 15 minus 7 gives you 8. And then to find the value of x, you divide both sides by 2. So when you say 2x divided by 2, we will be left with x. And 8 divided by 2, you will have 4. So this is how to solve this type of equation. Whenever you are changing side, you change sign. This is one trick you must never forget. Let's look at the second trick. When you are simplifying an equation, first of all, collect like terms. It helps you to be able to solve it correctly. Let's look at a practical example. You have an equation like this: 3x minus 5 plus 2x plus 3 is equals to 10 plus 2x. So the first thing you have to do is to collect like terms, combine them together, move them to one side before you go ahead with any calculation. Here we see that 3x, 2x, and 2x on the other side, they are like terms. So move them together. So you have 3x plus 2x here, and then the 2x at the right hand side of the equal sign. From the first trick we had, if it's coming to the left hand side of the equal sign, the sign will change and it will become minus 2x, which is equals to, we have 10 left at the right hand side, then we have minus 5 at the left hand side. So this minus 5 is crossing to the right hand side, becomes plus 5. Then we also have 3 at the left hand side, is coming to the right hand side, becomes minus 3. So we just combine like terms and then we move numbers across the equal sign, and we saw that the signs also changed. So the next thing is to go ahead to simplify the equation. So 3x plus 2x will give you 5x, and 5x minus 2x will give you 3x. So you have 3x equals to 10 plus 5 is equals to 15, and 15 minus 3 will give you 12. So to find the value of x, you divide both sides of the equation by 3. So 3x divided by 3 will give you 3. Is equals to 12 divided by 3, give you 4. And this becomes your answer. So when you are simplifying the equation, first of all, combine like terms. Don't forget this trick, and it always works. Let's look at trick number 3, which is cross multiplication shortcut, and it's very much applicable when you are dealing with fractions. So when you have something like x over 4 is equals to 3 over 5, how to go about it is just to cross multiply. X cross multiply with 5, and then 3 cross multiply with 4. So x times 5 give you 5x, and then equals to 3 times 4 will give you 12. So to find the value of x, divide both sides by 5. So you have x here is equals to 12 over 5. And 12 over 5 is not going to give you a perfect whole number. So you can leave it like this. So this is a trick that you should also take note of. Let's look at trick number 4. That is difference of squares formula. Look at this. A square minus bx. This is the type of thing that difference of square formula applies. The meaning of this is a minus b in one bracket and a plus b in another bracket. For instance, if you have a number like x squared minus 25 and they ask you to expand this, since 25 is a perfect square and that it is equivalent to 5 square, since 25 is a perfect square and is equivalent to 5 square, you can apply the difference of squares formula. So you're going to have x minus 5 in one bracket and x plus 5 in another bracket. You have it like this: x minus 5, x plus 5. It always works. It is called the difference of squares formula. If you have other equations with perfect squares, this is how to expand it easily without thinking twice or without bothering yourself. So these are another algebra tricks you should know. And lastly, we have a trick that helps you to make fractions disappear. And you do that by multiplying the whole equation by the lowest common denominator or lowest common multiple. So you have something like x over 2 plus x over 3 is equals to 5. So what you are meant to do is to find the lowest common denominator or the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. And that is 6. All you just have to do is to multiply everything by 8. So when you say 6 times x, it will give you 6x. 6x divided by 2 will give you 3x plus 6 times x will give you 6x. 6x divided by 3 will give you 2x, which is equals to 6 times 5 will give you 30. So you can easily add 3x plus 2x, which will give you 5x is equals to 30. And to get the value of x, you simply divide both sides of the equation by 5. So 5x over 5 will have x, and then 30 divided by 5 will give you 6. So this is how to do it. When you're dealing with fractions and you want to eliminate the fractions, what you just have to do is to find the lowest common denominator and multiply everything in the equation by that lowest common denominator. The fraction will disappear. You can go ahead easily to solve your equation. Please, if you know of any other trick, drop it in the comment section. Let us know more tricks that can help students in their day-to-day mathematical problems. Thank you so much for watching. Please ensure you like this video, share it, comment, and subscribe. See you in our other videos.